It's good to have Murali Vijay and Shikhar Dhawan, both fit and being the part of the side. They're someone who have done really well in the few test matches they have played against good sides. So we are really banking on that. Vijay had a decent IPL season and Shikhar was unfit for the first few games, but after that when he came in, he batted really well. So I think it will be important to start off with two proper openers. Yes, Rohit has done well. The few games that he got as an opener, he has done well. So he'll be our, you can say, the third opener, just in case if it's needed and if it doesn't really go our way. Dinesh Karthik, I think he's a middle order batsman. I don't want to push him to open, but you may say I'm contradicting that by asking Rohit to open. So we'll see how it goes, and if needed, if something happens to the openers, then Rohit will be our backup opener just in case. Well, he's someone who can swing the ball. What we have seen, even in the subcontinental condition, he's someone who can swing the ball both ways, and he bowls in really good areas. So it will be a good outing for him. He's someone who's very young, so he has plenty of cricket ahead of him. So just that he needs to enjoy the challenges that come in front of him. So we all know, he's someone who will do well. And you'll just have to see how he bowls from the quota of overs, from the 6th till the 8th maybe, or from the 5th to the 8th over. Because now with the two new balls getting used, definitely he'll be someone who will have an impact on the game.